Good morning, students. Now we will start exercise 8B. Mention date 24/8/20. So now you can see that first question, divide and check the answer. So first 24 divided by 2, 24 dividend and 2 divisor. So now we will do in notebook. So take out your maths notebook and do. First question, 24 divided by 2. So we know that first 2. So first 2 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So 1 right here and 2 right here, and subtract 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 4 left, so we will take here 4. So right here 4, and now 4 divided by 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. So 2 right here in quotient place, 2 and 4 right here, 4 right here, and subtract 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 12 is answer. So we will check the answer. So so first right here dividend, DIVIDEND, dividend is equal to quotient, QUOTIENT, quotient and multiply divisor. So dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor. So quotient is 12, Q for quotient, and dividend 24, dividend and divisor 2, divisor 2. So quotient 12 and divisor 2. So 12 multiplied by 2. So 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. So dividend is 24. So dividend is 24. So it is right. Okay. Next, 69 divided by 3. So first 6 divided by 3. 6 2 ja 3 2 ja 6. So 2 right here and 6 right here. 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. So 2 right here and 6 right here, and subtract 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 and 9 left. So right here 9 line and right here 9. So 9 divided by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. So 9 right here and 3 right here. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So quotient 23 and divisor 3. So check the answer. Now we will check the answer. So dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor. So quotient 23 and divisor 3. So 23 multiplied by 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6. So it is 69. So dividend 69. So it is right answer. Okay. Next question number C. 84 divided by 4. So first 8 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. So 2 right here in quotient place and 8 right here, and subtract 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 and 4 is left. So right here 4, and now 4 divided by 4. So 4 1 ja 4. 4 1 ja 4. So right here 1, and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So right here 0. So quotient is 21 and dividend is 4. So 21. So we will write here dividend is equal to quotient multiply by 4. So quotient is 21. So right here 21 and multiply by divisor. So divisor is 4. So right here 4. So 21 multiply by 4. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. So it is 84. So dividend is 84. Dividend is 84. So dividend is 84. So it is right. Next, 55 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. 55 को 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. 5 1 जा 5. सो राइट हेयर 1, बिकॉज 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 5. सो राइट हेयर 1 and 5 right here, 1 right here and 5 right here, and subtract 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, and next 5. Now 5 we will write here 5 and 5 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5. So 1 right here and 5 right here. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So quotient 11 divisor 5. So quotient multiply by divisor. So 11 multiply by 5. So 5 बन जा 5 and 5 बन जा 5. So it is dividend 55. So dividend is 55. यहाँ पर 11 में 5 का मल्टीप्लाई किया, 11 हमारा डिविडेंड है एंड 5 हमारा डिवाइज़र है. सो डिवाइज़र क्वोशेंट मल्टीप्लाई बाय डिवाइज़र. सो 11 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 तो हमारा ये आया 55 एंड 55 इज़ डिविडेंड. 55 हमारा डिविडेंड है, तो इट इज़ राइट. नेक्स्ट 46 मल्टीप्लाई बाय डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो फर्स्ट 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो 2 4 जा 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4. So 2 right here in quotient place and 4 right here, and subtract 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, and now 6 is left. So 6 right here and 6 divided by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. So 3 right here in quotient place and 6 right here. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So quotient is 23 and divisor is 2. So 23 divided by multiply by 2 is equal to 46. So it is divisor and divisor is 46. So it is right. अगर यहाँ पर ये divisor हमारा सेम आता है तो हमारा divide बिल्कुल सही है. Next question 48 divided by 2. So first 4 divided by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. So 2 right here in quotient place and 4 right here. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, and now 8. So 8 right here, 8 is left, so 8 right here, and now 8 divided by 2. So we know that 2 4 ja 8. So 2 can be subtract 4 times from 8. So we will write here 8 and 4 times. So 4 right here, and 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So quotient is 24 and divisor is 2. So quotient multiply by divisor is equal to dividend. So 24 multiply by 2. So 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. So it is dividend. So it is dividend 48. So it is right. Okay. Next 39 divided by 3. So first 3 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 can be subtract from 3 can be subtract one time from 3. So 1 right here and 3 right here. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and 9. Now 9 divided by 3. So 3 3 ja 9. So 3 can be subtract 3 time from 9. So 3 right here and 9 right here. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So it is 13. 13 is quotient. So quotient multiply by divisor. So quotient 13 and divisor 3. So 13 divided multiply by 3 is equal to 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So it is 39. It is 39. So right answer. Okay. Next 48. 48 divided by 4. So first 4 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. So right here 4 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next 8 divided by 4. So right here 4. 8. 8 is left. So right here 8. And now 8 divided by 4. So 4 2 ja 8. And 4 can be subtract 2 times from 8. So 2 right here and 8 right here. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. And quotient is 12 and divisor is 4. So quotient multiply by divisor is equal to dividend. So 12 multiply by 4 is equal to 48. So 48 dividend. 48 is dividend. So right answer. Next question number 2. Divide and check answer. 26 divided by 2. So now we will do in notebook. Question number A. 26 divided by 2. So first 2 divided by 2. So 2 1 ja 2. So 2 can be subtract one time from 2. So right here 1 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 and 6 is left. So right here 6 and now 6 divided by 2. So 2 3 ja 6. 2 3 ja 6. So 2 can be subtract 3 times from 6. So right here 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So quotient is 13 and divisor is 2. So quotient multiply by divisor. So 13 divided by 2. So we get dividend 26. So it is right. And next question, 36 divided by 3. Question number B. C 86 divided by 2. And question number D 77 divided by 7. And question number 3. So these questions in the same manner of previous questions. So do yourself in notebook. Thank you class.